Hello and welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, we will learn how to install Terraform on a Windows computer. If you are using a Mac computer, I'll leave a link in the description on how to install Terraform on your computer. To install Terraform on a Windows computer, open Google and type Terraform in the search box. Once you type Terraform, press enter. Under the Google search results, make sure the one you select is the one that has terraform.io. Then click Download Terraform. We will be installing Terraform on a Windows computer and it has automatically detected. So if you are not on the Windows tab, make sure you are on the Windows tab. On the Windows tab, you can download Terraform by clicking any one of this link. If your computer is 32-bit, you will click this link. And if your computer is 64-bit, you will click this link. If you don't know how many bits your computer has, click the Start menu here and type About. Once you type About, you will see About your PC. Select it. Under System Type, it will tell you how many bits your computer has. So I'll close this and I will click this link to download the 64 bits. Once you click that link, it is going to download the Terraform file on your computer and you can see it down here. After downloading Terraform, if you don't see this folder here, make sure you check your downloads directory. It will be there. To show you where this folder is downloaded to, we will right click on it and select Show in Folder. And in the downloads directory, the folder is there. The next thing we will do is unzip this folder. I'll right click on it and select Extract All. Then click Extract. We have unzipped the folder and in that folder there is this Terraform file there. I'm going to close this just to show you what happened. We have the zip folder here and we unzipped it and this is the unzipped version. So if you click on the unzipped version to go into it, you will see the Terraform file in there. The next thing we will do is copy this file. I'll right click on it and click Copy. Once you have copied this Terraform file, the next thing we will do is create a folder anywhere on our computer and put this Terraform file in it. Where you create that folder does not matter. So I'll create that folder on my C drive. I'll click my C drive and in here, I'll right click, select New and select Folder. I'll call that folder Terraform. Once you've given the folder a name, press Enter. Then double click on that folder to go in it. Once you are in this folder, paste the Terraform file you copied in it. I'll right click and click Paste. Once you have pasted the Terraform file in this folder, the next thing we will do is copy the path to this folder. So up here, right click here and select Copy Address as Text. Once you have copied the folder's address, the next thing we are going to do is add it to our systems variable. To do that, select the Start menu here and type env. Once you type env, select Edit the System Environment variable. I'll select it and it is going to open this. The next thing we are going to do is click on Environment Variables. Under Systems Variable, we are going to scroll down here until you see Path. Once you see Path, select it and click Edit. And in here, we are going to click New. Once you click New, paste the address of your Terraform folder in here. I'll paste the address. And once you've done that, click OK and click OK and click OK. This is all you need to do to install Terraform on your computer. The next thing we will do is verify that Terraform is installed. To verify that Terraform is installed on your computer, select the Start menu, then type CMD in here. Just in case if CMD don't come up, you can also type Command Prompt. It is the same thing. Once you see this command prompt, click it and it is going to open your command prompt. To verify that Terraform is installed, we are going to type Terraform-V. Press Enter. Once you type Terraform-V and press Enter, if you get an output that says Terraform version and it is showing you the version number, it means Terraform is successfully installed on your computer. And if you are watching this tutorial at a later date, your version number will be different from mine. So if your version number is different from mine, it doesn't mean that you did anything wrong. The main thing you want to see is when you type Terraform-V, you want to get an output that says Terraform and it is showing you the version number. This is how you install Terraform on a Windows computer. If you have any question or there's any part of this lecture you don't understand, please leave your comments below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.